Okay guys, so today I am going to be pressing that button over there for the whole entire video. So far it's going good. I can press it really fast. I'm gonna get to my first 100. Like in 2, 1, yeah, I got to 100. This is gonna be giving me arthritis or something. I forgot. A carpal tunnel. I think that's one of the cues from like the biggest bot invention something. Anyway, this dorm room skin is actually pretty good. I should try to click up to 300 or like 1,000. This video will definitely end when I hit 1,000. So far, so good. Wait, I never knew there was a plant over there. I should really fill up this board with something. This is the slowest way imaginable to click a button. I'm gonna get this up to 400 using this method. Well, I guess I have to keep on clicking. I should dropkick a toddler. Almost halfway there? A little over halfway there. This is getting very boring. Hey guys, here's a poll. Should I dropkick this toddler? That's the quietest I've ever been before. Oh, we're 700. It's 700. That's good. Now we're like 3/4 of the way there. Now we're just 8/10 the way there. This is very boring. It's very bad that while I'm doing this, I'm secretly farting. I should definitely cut it. But we're almost there. Oh my god, guys! I am going to hit 1,000. I'm gonna hit 1,000. Oh my god! I'm gonna hit it. Look at this. Look. Oh my god! If there was only a donation that someone could give. Oh my god, we're almost there! We're almost there, guys! Once we hit 1,000, the TikTok stream is going to end.